In the previous part of the lesson, we covered the mechanism of creating various bends. But for sheet parts, besides the final 3D model, the layout is crucial, that is, the sheet metal detail unfolded onto a plane. For this purpose, the tool panel includes commands such as bend, unbend, and flatten. If we want to flatten all the bends of a sheet metal part onto a plane, we select the Flatten command. The program will ask us to specify a fixed face relative to which the flattening of the part's bends will be carried out. Let's select the top face and see how the part will be unbended onto the plane. In the Operation menu, you can choose an option where the layout will be created as a separate body, so as not to alter the existing part. In addition to the automatic unbending of all bends of the part, the command panel has the Unbend operation. Its difference is that this command can unbend one specific bend, rather than all at once. Activate the command, specify the fixed face, and the bend we want to unfold. Click OK. As we see, only the bend we needed was unbended. The rest remained bent. Using this command, we can specify either one bend or several for unbending onto the plane. The reverse command is the Bend command. Activate the command, specify the fixed plane, and select the bend that we want to bend. These commands can be useful if your part bends in several stages to show the step-by-step deformation of the initial blank. Thank you for your attention.